How to fix Windows 11 not detecting second monitor. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first come to your settings, and you can do that by clicking on this window and then clicking on settings. So once you're here, select system and make sure you're on this display tab. So you'll see multiple displays here. Click on advanced display settings. So go ahead and click on detect over here and then see what message you're getting. So if it says we didn't find another display, it is not connected physically. So if you have a wireless monitor, you can also click on connect to a wireless display and then it'll search for the device. So the next thing you can do is go to your device manager. So go to the search bar and type device manager and then click on it. So come over to your display adapter, so click on this arrow button and then right click on your adapter and go ahead and click on update driver. So another thing you can do is you can manually install it. So you can take the name of what you're seeing here and type it on your browser. So go ahead and click on this official site right here and then make sure you're on this drivers tab. So go ahead and click on download now. So this is how to fix Windows 11 not detecting second monitor. Thanks for watching till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.